Suit is a double-breasted short lapel suit in making. Yeah. So how do you see it? So look at the sleeve. Hello guys, good day. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a suit sleeve. Alright, so the sleeve is ready and the body is ready. So this is the body of the suit. So this is the body. So I'm going to fix it with the sleeve. So the first thing you do while fixing a sleeve, check the armhole. You check the total armhole of the sleeve. You also check the total armhole of the suit. Make sure that the difference is not more than 3 inches. That the sleeve is always armhole is always bigger than the normal body armhole. So make sure the sleeve armhole is 3 inches bigger than the armhole of the body for adults. So like what I'm having here is 24, and what I'm having at the armhole of the body is 21, so it's okay. So what I'll do now is to run a gathers round the sleeve, so that it should be easy for you to draw. So every machine has where you can run a loose stitches, where it can be easy for you to draw it. So this is the armhole of the suit. So you take your tape rule to measure it round. So what you have, like what I'm having here is 21 inches. So on the sleeve I'm having 24, so the difference is 3 inches. Is okay for the gathers. So this is the sleeve of the suit. You can see the thread of the gathers. So what you do is you just draw one part of the thread, then you'll be able to run the gathers through the armhole of the sleeve. So I'll show you now.